century, it was widely believed that the main reason for India's economic backwardness was Hindu Dharma. But the truth was revealed as the 21st century approached. All over the world, reports started coming that India and China were once the most prosperous countries in the world. The Europeans had looted and ruined them. To find the truth of this, the OECD countries launched a major project to study it. A team was constituted under the chairmanship of Professor Angus Maddison. They started studying the history of the GDP of the world. When the report was published, the whole world was shocked. With a 34% share, India was once the wealthiest country in the world. That too, for 1,000 years and without looting anyone. There is no such example in the history of the world. But India was pushed down by plunderers and by exploitation. Before Britain started plundering India, it was still in the first place with a share of 24.5% of world GDP. In 1800, its wealth came down to 20%. In 1830, it was reduced to 17%. In 1880, down to 8%. And in 1900, it was only 1.7%. Who looted India's wealth? The British looted India's wealth. The palatial edifice of a great civilization crumbled. Indian society, which was industry-based from the times of the Indus Valley civilization, became poor within 100 years of British rule and became agriculture-based. During famines, 1/3 of the population perished. In spite of this, the revenue of the British East India Company increased manifold. From where did the farmers pay their taxes? The farmers sold the gold of generations